Lord, what them I go do in just sight? They're walking up and down, burning everything inside. Listen now, my friend, that's not right. You shouldn't try to preach if you know you can't preach. Nowadays you have to watch your speech. Take the beam out of your eyes before you tell a lie. For no man not perfect in this life. God not come to save the righteous, for him righteous already. But the sinners will repent and come again. I say that sinners will repent and come again. We should learn to respect people of other races. Learn to respect their religion. Don't go around spreading falsified information. Judgment could take you instead and say, don't do that, brother man, don't you do that. Yeah, now. Say I'm glad I never ever take no bribe. I sell out the thing overnight. And I'll always stand for the things that's right. What them I go do when they like? Oh Lord, what them I go do in just sight? So God not come to save the righteous, for him righteous already. But that sinners will repent and come again. No man, you want to steady, cause hurt already. Man, I mean him Freddie. Now take the beam out of your eyes before you tell a lie. For no man not perfect in this life. Say man, you shouldn't try to preach if you know you can't teach. Nowadays you have to watch your speech. Oh Lord, nowadays you have to watch your speech. We should learn to respect people of other races. Learn to respect their religion. Don't go around spreading false information. Judgment will take you instead.